Good evening, boys and girls. As the title of this video shows you, we will be working on multi-step word problems, which are word problems that will take more than one step to solve. So in our first example here, it says John, James, and Tom decided to bring their money together. They wanted to have a total of $1,000. So how much more do they need? So immediately I'm going to circle and underline some key information. So I'm dealing with these people. They want a total of $1,000 and they're bringing their money together. My question is, how much more do they need? Well, I see that John has $280, Jane has $325, and Tom has $250. I then need to add these up because they're bringing their money together. So that's the sum of how much they have. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 5 would give me 15. And I can only have one digit in my place value, so I carry up my group of 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 would give me a total of 8. So together, they have $850. But I'm not interested in just how much they have together. I am interested in how much they have to go until they have $1,000. So I know to get from 855 to 1,000, I would have to add money to their total, but I'm going to subtract to figure that out. So they want $1,000. I'm subtracting $855 because that's how much they already have. Now, I cannot take 5 from 0 because there's no value to take from. So I need to visit my thousands place because that's where I have some value. And I'll exchange that to a 10. And then keep exchanging this till I finally get back to where I need. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is, or 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now I'm going to add, to check that, 855 plus 145, 5 plus 5 gives me 10, carry up my group of 10, carry up, and now that gives me 1,000. So I know that they need $145 more dollars to have how much they need, which is $1,000. So this problem talks all about my driving habits. This is a cool car I got to drive in Hawaii. It's not my normal car. I'd like you to pause this video and solve this problem. Hopefully by this point you've solved the problem. So the problem gave me a number of distances I drove in different years. And then it asked me to combine 2016 and 2017, figure out how many more than in 2015. So I need to combine my 7,847 with my 3,836. 7 plus 6 is 13. Put down my ones place, carry up my tens. 1 plus 4 plus 3 will give me 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. I carry up my 1, and that gives me a total of 11,683. Now I'm not quite done because my question's asking me is how much more did I drive in 2015 than those two combined. So in 2015 I drove 18,838 miles, and more than is going to be a subtraction problem. So 8 minus 3 will give me 5. 3 minus 8, I need to exchange a place value there, giving a group of 10, making that one 13. 13 minus 8 is also 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 minus 0, or 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I'm going to add to check. So I take 11,683 plus my difference I found. That gives me 8. 13, carry up the 1. 8. 1 plus 1 is also 8, and then 1. So this answer matches that answer, meaning that my answer right here of 7,155 answers my overall question. And that's going to wrap it up for us here. This is your Bring Back to School problem. Make sure you label this as your Bring Back to School problem. It says word problem here for you about some of our students in our classroom who enjoy playing video games. So read this problem and solve it, and I'll be checking you in the morning.